very, very special guests. These are actually my tutors. Sila nagturo sa akin na mag-YouTube. Nagsasuggest ng content. Kung pangit ang content, pagalitan mo siya. Please welcome Ivana and Mona Alawi! So of course, kailangan, pag nandito tong dalawang matakaw, kailangan kakain tayo. And the challenge here for me is to do this budol-budol thing because I've never done it before. And so in the meantime, I want to thank Budol Bilao Food Hub for giving us this spread. Masarap ba? Alam mo ba yung kakainin natin? Kilala mo? Mona, hindi mo alam. Ikaw, kusinera, alam mo ba?
Ang social nga ng Boodle Fight eh. Sabi ko, wow, ganda ng
social.
setup. Meron tilapia, hipon, crab, barbecue, chicken, tapas, sisig. Whatever you need is there.
Kaya mo yan. You know, I have a confession. Wala akong alam sa budol. Alam ko lang budol. So this is new to me and I